we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The Pet Set.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look! Balls, cars, springy thingies. Let's play with these.
Nah, I'm tired of toys.
Well, what else can we play with?
How about a pet? We can play with that.
Great idea. Let's get a pet.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran off to Pete's Get a Pet store.
Hey, Pete. We're here to pick out a pet.
Maybe I could interest you in a blobsicle.
Too blobby.
How's about a prickly porcupine?
Too prickly.
Well, I've got one fuzzicle left.
Too cute.
We'll take it.
Great! Here's your fuzzicle starter kit. Defuzz brush, fuzz wash, and fuzz chow.
Thanks. Come on, Kit. Let's go play with our new fuzzicle.
Remember, take good care of it.
Kit and Kate could hardly wait to get to Mud Puddle Park and start the fun.
Lie down. Roll over.
Spin. Hop. Shimmy, shimmy, shake. I didn't say shed.
You didn't say cough either.
Kate, look.
Great idea. You want to brush him?
Don't be silly. That's no fun. Fuzzicle, fetch.
I didn't know a brush could be a toy.
Sure. Almost anything can be a toy.
Wow! Look at him go! Ew! Our fuzzicle is so dirty.
And smelly.
And has funky fleas.
Great idea. You want to wash it?
Don't be silly. That's no fun. I'll blow bubbles, and the fuzzicle can pop them.
Go, Fuzzy Fuzzicle. Let's go. Ice cream.
You scream.
We all scream for ice cream.
Kit and Kate were so excited to get ice cream, they ran off, leaving poor Fuzzicle behind. Leaving poor, coughing, itching, stinky, and hungry Fuzzicle behind.
Where's Fuzzicle?
Fuzzicle! Fuzzicle!
Fuzzicle!
Oh, no! Fuzzicle ran away.
Then along came a mysterious stranger. What is wrong, kitties?
Our pet Fuzzicle ran away.
And playing with him was so much fun.
Was your pet having fun too?
Sure. I think so.
But it was coughing.
And scratching.
And stinky.
I bet it was hungry, too.
Doesn't sound like much fun to me.
Yeah, I guess not.
We were having such a good time that we didn't think about how the Fuzzicle was feeling.
Ah, now I understand. Pet isn't a toy that you can just play with.
It's a living thing that you have to take care of. Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, instead of thinking only about ourselves,
We'll take really good care of our pet.
for sure.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their pet adventure all over again, but this time they brushed the Fuzzicle. And when it got dirty, they washed it. And when it was time for a snack, they fed it too. Kit and Kate made their pet very happy. And that made the Fuzzicle happy to play and play for the rest of the day. Because if you take care of your pet, the fun takes care of itself.
Where will we we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The choo-choo train.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, train engineer hats.
And gloves.
Let's work on a train.
Yeah, I want to blow the whistle.
Me too. Woo, woo. Go, kitties, let's go.
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and headed off to Startville Station to meet Barry and Larry, twin conductors with an appetite to match.
You are the messiest eater I've ever seen. You're the messiest eater I've ever seen. That's because you don't have a mirror. That's right, ducks. Eat up. It's almost time for the yellow flash to pull out of here. And you too, kittens. Eat some breakfast and meet me on the Blue Comet. We'll get going as soon as you're ready.
Fish or milk?
Nothing for me. I'm way too excited to eat. The faster we get on that train, the quicker we can leave.
And blow the whistle.
Woo, woo! Can we blow the train whistle, Barry?
Just get us to Enville Station on time and you can blow that whistle.
No problem.
Good. I'm counting on you. Now, start shoveling that vromium. This engine can't run if it doesn't have fuel.
You got it.
All aboard!
If you want your engine to go, 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 go real fast and not go slow. Just remember this simple rule that your engine can't run if it doesn't have fuel.
Keep up the good work, kittens. We're chugging along right on schedule.
Ooh, I'm getting tired.
I'm already tired.
But we gotta keep shoveling.
I can't. I'm all pooped out.
Me too.
Oh no. The train's slowing down.
Now we'll never make it on time.
And never blow that whistle. Sounds like the ducks made it on time.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Why did the train stop?
The engine ran out of vromium.
And why does the engine need vromium?
Because vromium is fuel. The train can't run without it.
So why don't you just shovel in some more fuel?
We don't have any energy to do it.
Sounds like you ran out of fuel too. What did you have for breakfast?
We skipped it.
Oh, now I understand. Food is fuel for our bodies.
That keeps our engine running. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we'll eat a really good breakfast.
Yeah, that way we won't get tired and we'll keep this engine running. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their train adventure all over again. But this time, they made sure to eat a good breakfast before heading off to work.
Fish and milk.
What do you say, Kate? Ready to go?
Yep, I'm all fueled up. If you want your engine to go, 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 go real fast and not go slow. Just remember this simple rule that your engine can't run if it doesn't have fuel. If you want your engine to go, 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 go real fast and not go slow. Just remember this simple rule that your engine can't run if it doesn't have fuel.
Great work, kittens. We're pulling in right on time.
And that means...
Yep, go ahead. This stop, Enville Station.
Sounds like it's time to refuel.
That sounds good to us.